What's up everybody? This is how you set rear brake pads into service mode. If you want to do your rear brake pads or disc or whatever you want to do in the back. So you have to press the accelerator pedal down, hold the park brake switch down, then while holding it down, switch the ignition on, off and on again, while holding the accelerator pedal and the park brake switch down. Park braking maintenance mode. You can switch off your ignition, do your brakes. If you want to put it back in normal mode, you pull up the park brake switch, press the accelerator pedal, switch ignition on, off and on again. Okay, let's just try that again. Ignition off, accelerator pedal in, park brake switch up, ignition on, ignition off, ignition on. There it goes. That applied the park brake. That's it. Thank you. Thanks for watching.